Have you ever wondered why your energy feels drained or why your body feels a little off? Well, the answer might lie with an organ you probably don't think about much, your liver. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Timeless Cures. Today, I'm going to share something life-changing, a simple yet powerful tonic that could transform your liver health and, in turn, your entire well-being. Imagine starting each day feeling energized, lighter, and mentally sharp. That's what a healthy liver can do for you. Your liver works tirelessly, filtering toxins, producing essential nutrients, and supporting digestion. But here's the catch: it often gets overwhelmed, especially with today's diets and lifestyles. But what if I told you there's an easy way to give your liver the boost it desperately needs? And it's as simple as drinking one glass of a special, nutrient-packed tonic. Stay with me because I'll not only show you how to make this drink but also explain why each ingredient is a liver-loving superstar. Before we dive in, let me share something personal. A few years ago, I struggled with constant fatigue and unexplained weight gain. I tried everything until I stumbled upon this natural remedy. Within weeks, I felt like a new person, and now I want to pass that knowledge on to you. So, grab a notebook and get ready to learn how to rejuvenate your liver, starting today. Let's talk about your liver, an organ that's a real multitasking hero. Think of it as the body's filter system, working round the clock to cleanse your blood, store nutrients, and produce bile, which aids digestion. Every single day, we're exposed to harmful toxins. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, toxins are everywhere. Your liver works tirelessly to detoxify your body and keep everything running smoothly. But just like any hard-working machine, it can get overburdened. Now, what happens when your liver gets overwhelmed? The warning signs aren't always obvious. You might feel tired, gain weight without explanation, or notice skin problems like acne. Other symptoms include digestive issues, frequent headaches, or even mood swings. When your liver isn't happy, it impacts your entire body. Here's something amazing: the liver is one of the only organs that can regenerate itself. This means with the right support, it can repair and rejuvenate. That's why it's so important to give it the care it deserves. And the best part? Supporting your liver doesn't require expensive treatments or complicated diets. All it takes is a few natural ingredients blended into one simple drink. In the next chapter, we'll talk about these powerful ingredients and why they work so well to support your liver. But before that, remember, when you take care of your liver, you're not just improving one organ, you're enhancing your entire body's health. Now, let's dive into the magic ingredients that make this liver tonic so effective. Each one has unique properties that help cleanse, repair, and energize your liver. Beetroot. This vibrant root is rich in betaine, a compound that helps your liver flush out toxins. Beets are also packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Carrot, high in beta-carotene, which your liver converts into vitamin A. Carrots are essential for liver function and overall health. Apple. Apples contain pectin, a type of fiber that binds to toxins in your gut and helps your liver by reducing its detox workload. Lemon, packed with vitamin C, lemons stimulate liver function and boost the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant. Ginger, this spicy root fights inflammation and improves liver function. Turmeric, the curcumin in turmeric protects liver cells and may even regenerate damaged tissues. Black pepper, a pinch of black pepper enhances turmeric absorption, making it even more effective. Water, the key to blending it all together and staying hydrated. Each of these ingredients is a liver superhero on its own. Together, they form a powerhouse that nourishes and detoxifies your liver. In the next chapter, I'll walk you through how to make this tonic step by step. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Making this liver tonic is quick and easy. Here's what you'll need. 1. 1 medium beetroot, peeled and chopped. 2. 1 large carrot, peeled and chopped. 3. 1 medium apple, cored, skin on. 4. Juice of half a lemon. 5. A small piece of fresh ginger, about the size of your thumb. 6. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 7. A pinch of black pepper. 8. 1 cup of water. Steps. 1. Add all the ingredients to a blender. 2. Blend until smooth. If it's too thick, add a bit more water. 3. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. For best results, drink this tonic first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to fully absorb the nutrients and kickstart your day with a natural energy boost. Remember, consistency is key. Make this tonic a daily habit, and you'll start noticing the benefits in no time. Your liver will thank you. Now that you know how to make the tonic, let's dive deeper into the science behind why this drink works so well. Every ingredient in this blend plays a specific role in supporting your liver's health, and the synergy between them is what makes it so powerful. First, beetroot. Research shows that beetroot is rich in betalains, which are natural compounds with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These help the liver flush out toxins and reduce oxidative stress, which can damage liver cells over time. Studies have also linked beetroot to improved bile production, which is essential for digesting fats. Next is carrot, which is loaded with beta-carotene. Beta-carotene converts to vitamin A in the liver, which helps repair liver tissues and protect it from toxins. This antioxidant also strengthens the immune system, helping your body fight inflammation. Then there's apple. Apples contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that binds to toxins in your digestive system, making it easier for your body to eliminate them. This takes some of the workload off your liver, allowing it to focus on its other crucial tasks. Lemon is a superstar for detoxification. The vitamin C in lemons stimulates the liver to produce glutathione, a vital antioxidant that aids in breaking down toxins. Plus, its acidity helps balance the body's pH levels. The ginger and turmeric combination is a powerhouse. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties protect liver cells from damage, while turmeric's curcumin not only shields the liver but also promotes tissue regeneration. Finally, black pepper enhances turmeric's absorption by up to 2000%, ensuring your body reaps its full benefits. Science backs what ancient wisdom has always known: natural ingredients can have profound effects on our health. This tonic is proof that sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. Stick around for the conclusion, where I'll share tips for making this a seamless part of your daily life. Your liver is the unsung hero of your body. By supporting it with this daily tonic, you're not just improving your liver, you're enhancing your overall health and energy. Try this tonic for a month. Notice how your body feels: lighter, more energized, and glowing from within. Combine it with healthy habits like staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough rest. These small changes can lead to big transformations. But remember, while this tonic is powerful, it's not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your liver health. Thank you for joining me on Timeless Cures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Here's to your health, and to giving your amazing liver the love it deserves.